So we have understood that the food chains and food webs are two important concepts of your ecosystem, right? And in an ecosystem, what is more stable is a food web, right? And see, again on a question based on this from the 2026 Geoscientist, they have asked, trophic relationship within ecological communities tend to be complex and web-like. That is statement number one. Second, they are saying many consumers feed on more than one species and are fed upon by more than one species. Yes, though both the statements are true, we know that in nature, food chain is not what is existing. There is an interconnected network of food chains which makes a food web that is existing in nature. And ये exist क्यों कर रहा है? Because that will lead to stability. For example, every organism has a multiple options to eat different prey species. For example, a deer has a option to eat different type of trees or grasses. Similarly, lion or tiger or the top carnivores have a variety of animals which they can feed upon. This is maintaining stability of the ecosystem. Otherwise, all the species would have been perished, right? So all consumers are also, in fact, they are also preyed upon by different other species, right? So both the statements are right here, and A is the second statement is giving us the correct explanation for statement 1. So you have to revise the concept of food chain and food webs. And of course, in food chains also, beta, we have discussed two types of chains. One is a grazing food chain, which begins from your plants, right, from the producers. And then you have a detritus food chain, which begins from the dead decayed matter. And in these, both the chains are also interconnected with each other, because the animals or the species which are a part of the grazing food chain, eventually when they die, they become the starting point of the detritus food chain. And of course, we have another type of organisms which are omnivores, which are part of both the chain. So we can say there is an interconnected network of the chains that exist in nature.